see and the community and some opportunities for you today. And today we're going to start with free Bitcoin, my favorite faucet ever. As you can see, I have my bonuses running right now. Large income, thankfully, for the low price of Bitcoin, and everything is going smoothly. We're approaching 1,000 Satoshis again, which is very exciting. And I wanted to thank everybody who signed up under me in this program. It's going very well. Again, they won't let you down. I sing their praises every day, and I've talked to their marketer several times. As far as other news, let's talk about the price of Bitcoin today. So, basically, the price is still going down, but it's still going pretty much sideways. And what's happening right now is there's just a lot of fear and doubt that's pushing it sideways. So you have the price that's been steadily going down for the last month or so. And essentially, there's just bad news every other day, every few days, every week, things like that. But again, the indication of the market is that people are tired of selling their Bitcoin. They're afraid of missing the next hike in price for Bitcoin. Everybody wants to be in at that moment, while other people are waiting for the bottom. The good news is that Tether is kind of lifting the price right now. They've kind of taken a few steps to stabilize their own position in the market, so that's going to help a little bit. Japan is doing what they can to clean up the crypto market, which is not the best in the short term, but in the long term, it's going to be good for the community. In all, the entire community is clearing its throat. There's a lot of scams and schemes that have blown up in people's faces the past half year. So as soon as all of this is done, when governments know where they want to be, when institutions and people know where they want to be in the community, in the market with Bitcoin, then we're going to see some very different activity, and I believe it's going to go up. Now, as far as the opportunity today, I'm super excited. I wanted to share with you something called Bitbond. Now, how Bitbond works is it's actually a loan firm for Bitcoin. There we go. It's up now. So essentially what Bitbond does is they loan out Bitcoin to people who need it for usually a small business or something very practical that can be used in the real world. One of the examples they use on their website, for example, is a bike salesman who's in Europe somewhere. They're based out of Germany. And the interesting thing about that is in order to sign up to be an investor or to be someone who is accepting a loan, you need to get approved. And that requires them seeing you on camera. You show them your documents. They actually check for things like watermarks. I had to do that like yesterday, and that was a pretty interesting experience. I'm just very excited because I like the fact that they're that detailed in security in kind of what is the Wild West. So that said, what you can do is you just transfer your Bitcoin over. So I've gotten a small amount there. That's about $10 worth as of this video. And from there, what you can do is you can just invest it manually. So this is a little bit of a higher level opportunity for investment. While free Bitcoin is more for people who are just entering, have $5, they just want to throw in and see what happens. This is more for a person who has a dedicated amount of money that they want to throw in. So yeah, you can still put in $5, $10, $50, but I recommend being at least 0.01. So that's around $60, and I'll tell you why in just a second. As high as 600. Now, there's a reason why I'm saying 600 because that is 10% of a Bitcoin. Now, here's why I'm giving you those figures right now. So if we actually invest, say the first loan that I see right now, it's quoting 1% of a Bitcoin, so 0.01, which right now is about $60. You can actually put in your own amount. So what I actually have loaded on here is about 14, well, I should say, 14 thousandths of a Bitcoin, and which is again about $10. It will let me do that, which is pretty darn cool, and it will quote it up here, translated into whatever currency they load it up into. And you can also sort these by various types of loans. So let's say these are graded. For example, I just want to get rid of everything that's like kind of a lower quality loan and see what appears. And right now, this is kind of the higher loan and that sort of thing. So we're just kind of going to put those back. Just very quickly, how these loans are graded is that when someone actually shows why they're interfacing with Bitbond, what they do is they share their PayPal and various other things like that. So PayPal, maybe their LinkedIn, maybe other business websites that they use like eBay, that sort of thing. And Bitbond will actually take a moment to look at, what is the business, what traffic they're getting, what are their sales, what do their books kind of look like, and from there they're given a grade A through F. And also, maybe how long they've been with Bitbond and that sort of thing. So again, they're very thorough in this process, and I love it. 100%. So I'm slowly filtering in a little bit of Bitcoin to start investing in this process. You can also select the duration of your loan. So again, this is a midterm investment at this point. It's not just, you can't just throw it in and pull it out once you do this. So it's going to be 3 months, 6 months, a year, essentially all the different levels that you can throw into this. Now, if you go into auto invest, this is the most exciting feature that I think exists on this platform. Because frankly, what you can do is allocate a certain amount of Bitcoin for them to invest for you. So what you need is zero point 0.1 or 10% of a Bitcoin to do this. So again, $600 as of this video. And you can just turn it on. You can select, what type of currency. You can select what risk you want the loan to be at. So again, you want an ABC, CDE, FG, all that kind of stuff. As soon as you look at the terms, you can select how many days, how long you want it to be, all that kind of thing. And again, regions. Do you want to be from the Middle East? Do you want to be from Asia? Do you want to be from Europe? Do you want to be from North America? All that kind of stuff. You can do that, and it's really good. I wanted to talk about um, the the power that they have so that you don't lose your investment. So essentially, they have the power of any credit firm to get your money back if someone is kind of having trouble with their loan. So they can hunt them down, they can call them, they can do all that stuff. Remember, in order to even get onto this website, they have to have been vouched for. They have to have some sort of business. They have to have some collateral. They have to have all that kind of stuff and a residence, a phone number, all that kind of stuff. Once you get to this level of identification, it's harder to fake. You will not find that much, because they would have to do this to a real firm in any other space too, like currency or credit or that sort of thing, which makes me feel comfortable putting money into this program. They also have a really nice affiliate program. So basically, when someone signs up for a loan using your link, you get about 20%. And when someone is actually under you as an investor affiliate, you get 30%. And it's really cool. And how it's generated is at the start of the loan, the origination, you're given the percentage of that, and then the rest is paid back to the site. So again, you get it up front, and it's really nice, and you can see the multiple loans coming in, which is really cool. And they have every type of social media link you would ever want for forums or for social media or for banners for websites. Everything is here for you, and it's really cool. It's a good system, and I'm excited to be a part of it. Now, after that, for all of you who've been watching my videos or signed up under me as an affiliate, thank you again for signing up under freebitco and that sort of thing. But I wanted to announce that every time I make these videos, I'm going to start handing out $10 to anybody who comments on my video and is a member of my freebitco downline. So essentially, sign up for freebitco under me, leave a comment, and you have a chance to win 10 bucks. Not bad, huh? So I'm super excited to do that. And again, if I start making more, I'll add more onto that offer. So once again, thanks for listening, guys. Have a great day and see you next time.